So now we're gonna check out this game, Street Fighter 2, so let's check it out. Okay, I'm gonna start with some, okay, A plus D. Okay, so I'm pressing A plus S and I'm getting the, I don't know, this key blast or Haruken, whatever they say. Let's see, A plus D. Okay. So now I'm gonna move and I'm gonna do the same. Okay, now. What is he saying? Shoryuken. Okay. It's a Japanese word. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm pressing A plus D and then I'm pressing the down key on my laptop. Oh, okay, it's cool. This is similar to the Mortal Kombat game that we play. Okay, man, I'm gonna kick it with Z. Okay, I'm gonna jump. Let me see. Okay, so this is it's not a long distance fight. I can use the energy blast. Okay. Shoryuken. Oh man, he got me. Okay, I have to beat this dude. Okay, so now you got me. And now you did it, man. I'm doing my Abuken and Shoryu, man. Take that, man. So yeah, these are all school games, and this is the only version that I found in this crazy games, so this online game. So yeah, this stuff is cool. So let me see. Okay, so I have to win. Oh man, come on, man. He beat that. Okay, he beat me up. Okay, I have to beat this dude. Now I'm pissed off. Okay. I don't know what the hell is he saying. Okay. So pretty much right now I'm pressing the keys, the A plus S plus D and then the lower key, so I'm doing the Shoryuken and oops. Okay. Ah, you did. Okay, so I don't know how I did that, but yeah, that was a lucky shot, I guess. Okay, now I got it. Okay, let me see. It would be cool to throw some energy beam and chill so I cannot play the full window in this game. So you only choice that oh man, he got me. I only have this small window. Oh man, come on man, they put me like that. No man, I cannot allow this. Let's give it another try. Come on man, give me my let's play back to back, okay? Okay, so now oh come on man, oh no, Jesus Christ. So let me see, no, get that, no, okay, so now I got you. Oh, thanks for that. So I'm pressing pretty much the key down in X, so that is for those cool kicks, I don't know, round kicks. Look at this man, he's okay, so let's give it another try. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Maybe I can beat this dude with energy blast alone. Okay, now I got you. You press down and you press Z and the letter X. Okay, now I'm gonna do this. No, get the hell out of my way. I can do it, man. I can get beat by this dude. Oh man, he keeps beating me up, even though I know more. That's some moves. So I'm easy. Okay, so now we have a fight. Oh, come on, man. Man, he keep beating me up. Okay, I give